Steel Seal is the UK's #1 head gasket repair with a 99% success rate and over 2,000 stockists throughout the UK and Ireland. But there are occasions when a blown head gasket is simply too far gone for even Steel Seal to repair. If you find yourself in this small percentage of cases, don't despair, you can claim using Steel Seal's money-back guarantee. Steel Seal's money-back guarantee is simple. If Steel Seal does not repair your blown head gasket, we will give you your money back. So, how do you claim your money back? Step 1. Contact us by email, phone or our live chat facility and we will send you a claims form. Step 2. Fill out the claims form and provide a proof of purchase, which is your receipt and proof of a head gasket failure, such as a breakdown report, a receipt for mechanical repair, purchase of a head gasket set, or in worst case, a scrappage receipt. We're not trying to be difficult, but would you believe we get the occasional person that it works for, they save a fortune on mechanical repair, and they still try to get their money back. Once you have the required information, you can either print the form out and send us the information through the post, or fax the form and information to us. Step 3. Once we have received all the information we require, we will send you either a check for the cost of the Steel Seal, or replacement bottle, or bottles of Steel Seal if you have chosen that option on the claims form. It really is that simple. Trying Steel Seal gives you a very good chance of saving hundreds of pounds on a replacement head gasket. But even if Steel Seal does not repair your blown head gasket, at least you're in exactly the same position you were in before trying the treatment. So, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Try Steel Seal today. Visit www.steelseal.co.uk and find your local stockist.